Earthquake. The earthquake caused serious damage to houses in the city. Earthquake. Tsunami. A tsunami is a big ocean wave caused by an earthquake. Tsunami. Volcanic eruption. The volcanic eruption emitted smoke and ash. Volcanic eruption. Landslide. The landslide happened after the rain. Landslide. Rockfall. Rockfall blocked mountain path. Rockfall. Flood. The flood entered the city. Flood. Avalanche. The avalanche destroyed the small village. Avalanche. Tornado. Tornado tears off roofs of several houses. Tornado. Blizzard. Blizzard closes highways. Blizzard. Ice storm. The ice storm covered the wires. Ice storm. Drought. Drought ruined crops. Drought. Sandstorm. Sandstorm reduced visibility. Sandstorm. Sinkhole. The sinkhole swallowed part of the road. Sinkhole. Hailstorm. The hailstorm broke the car windows. Hailstorm. Hurricane. A hurricane destroyed many houses near the beach. Hurricane. Heatwave. It is very hot during the heatwave. Heatwave. Mudslide. The road was closed because of a mudslide. Mudslide. Cyclone. The cyclone was very strong. Cyclone. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm set a tree on fire. Thunderstorm. Water spout. A water spout appeared over the sea. Water spout. Meteorite impact. A meteorite impact can make a big hole in the ground. Meteorite impact. Coastal erosion. Coastal erosion destroys houses near the sea. Coastal erosion. Thawing permafrost. The houses are falling because of thawing permafrost. Thawing permafrost. Ice storm. The ice storm broke many trees. Ice storm. Limnic eruption. A limnic eruption can release gas from a lake. Limnic eruption. Solar flare. A solar flare can make the sky very bright. Solar flare. Flash flood. A flash flood covered the road. Flash flood. Water scarcity. Water scarcity is a big problem. Water scarcity. Lava flow. The lava flow is very hot. Lava flow. Storm surge. The storm surge flooded the beach. Storm surge. Earth creep. The earth creeps slowly after the rain. Earth creep. Geyser eruption. The geyser eruption is very hot. Geyser eruption.